Today I'm going to teach you how to create a magic circle or magic ring. Those terms are used synonymously, and you'll notice that I'm working with 2 yarns today. That's just because the project I'm doing calls for that, but it works the same either way. So the way you want to do it is you want to take the tail and kind of twist around your working yarn right over the top of it. See how it kind of makes a loop over it? And then you want to pick up the circle, just like that, and take your hook and grab the working yarn while you're holding that circle. And now you're going to yarn over and just do a slip stitch. And that slip stitch kind of holds it into place. And now what I'm going to show you is a single crochet into the magic ring, and I'm going to do 6 of them. Sometimes you'll do more, it just depends on your pattern, and sometimes you'll do a double crochet or a triple crochet, but in this case, this is what I'm going to do for my projects. This is probably what I use most commonly. So now after I've done probably about 3, I go ahead and I tighten this up some, because it can get really floppy and kind of hard to use. If you have it smaller like this, it's a little easier to go in that hole and keep control of it. So that's 4 and 5 and 6. Now at that point, you can see it's got all of the stitches on one side and there's still this big gap here. What you do is you just pull your tail nice and tight. Now for me, I don't want any hole showing for this project because this is actually the center of a dragon eye. So I want that to be super duper tight. So you just pull the tail to get it where you want it. And then for my next row, if you were just going to do this, I'd just do a slip stitch to this first single crochet that you would put in. And the first one's always the trickiest to get through. Because I'm doing another row, I'm going to actually go into this one, and I hold my tail around it so that I can just crochet right over it. And I'm going to do 2 single crochet in each one. So that's 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, you're doing 2 in each. And 9 and 10. And so this is your last one. 11 and 12. And so at this point, I go ahead and look at it, and I can see a little bit of light going through there. Now, since I've just wrapped that through this next round, I can pull it even tighter and really make it cinch up. And as soon as I get it as tight as I want, then I can continue around, or I can just slip stitch to that next one and have a wonderfully tight and round piece. If you have any questions, go ahead and place them below.